Here's a short video story of an adventure I had in the Canadian Rockies. I was trying to go from Golden, British Columbia to Banff. Normally, you would take the straight shot across the top on the Trans-Canada Highway, marked with the maple leaf number 1, but it's closed for maintenance in the winter in the Rocky Mountains. I don't know why that's happening. Now, the alternate route, we go from Golden all the way south to Radium Hot Springs, and then across and north through some valleys, up and down, and then we eventually get to Banff. Google Maps says that's a 2 hour and 45-minute trip. It took 13 hours just to go from Radium Hot Springs to the point where 93 joins back up with the Trans-Canada Highway. Now, I place full blame for this catastrophe in two different places. One is the local RCMP. Driving north, we didn't see one police car coming to notify us about what was going on or check on the welfare of the probably more than 1,000 cars that are stuck on this road. Second is BC highways. Again, no communication. They didn't shut down the road coming south, even though they knew they had a tremendous stack of cars with only at at most one lane operating because of all of the accidents and the stalled trucks and the parked trucks in the road. Not a thing. We had no cell service. We had not even a radio station that we could tune to listen for any kind of update. So we got quite friendly with the cars in our local area. Everybody maintained great Canadian manners. We stayed in our line. We were checking on everybody, handing out food and water, making snowmen, walking the dogs, having a chat. And we got through it in the end. But 13 hours is starting to put people's lives at risk. And is there's just no excuse for this. First of all, having the Trans-Canada Highway, the short route, closed in the winter and thinking it's a really good idea to have Route 93 as the way to get across, and then letting trucks through that clearly couldn't manage the route. They're in the ditch. They've only got one axle with chains. They get stuck going up a hill, and then they either pull to the side or they roll all the way back down the hill and then try and go back up the hill again. So enjoy the videos and draw your own conclusions.
Hey, if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my other content, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Take care and see you next time.